Hey everyone! If you want to use Adobe Lightroom on your PC for free but don't want to go through Adobe's trial, there's another way to do it. By using BlueStacks. This lets you install and run the mobile version of Lightroom on your PC. It is completely free with no trial restrictions. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing Adobe Lightroom using BlueStacks. We'll start by downloading and installing BlueStacks and then use it to download and install Adobe Lightroom. Finally, I'll show you how to use Lightroom on your PC without paying for a subscription. Please click the link in the description to download everything you need. And then let's get started. To begin, you'll need to install BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator that allows you to run mobile apps on your PC. Keep in mind that while BlueStacks is a great tool, it may not provide the same performance as running Lightroom on a mobile device. Just head over to the official BlueStacks website, or use the link in the description to go directly to the download page. Once you're there, click Download BlueStacks and let the installer run. The setup process is straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once it's installed, launch BlueStacks. When it opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. This is necessary to access the Google Play Store, just like you would on an Android device. Now that BlueStacks is running, open the Google Play Store inside the emulator. In the search bar, type Adobe Lightroom and select the official app from Adobe. Click Install and let it download onto BlueStacks. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Lightroom directly from BlueStacks and edit your photos immediately. Unlike the desktop version, the mobile version offers many features for free. Some premium options are available, but there is no forced trial. You can use the basic editing tools, apply presets, and enhance your photos without any worries about the trial expiring. And that's it! You now have Adobe Lightroom running on your PC for free using BlueStacks. This is an excellent option if you don't want to deal with Adobe's limited trials and still need a powerful photo editor on your computer. Click the link in the description to download BlueStacks and get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more useful guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.